Hey, this is Brian with Life on the Farm. Just wanted to shoot a quick video about these Stihl chainsaws. This is my employer's saw. I believe it's an old 361 or 391. This one's been around the farm for a long time and done a lot of work, and I love this saw. You can always count on this thing to start. It's primarily because we take good care of stuff here. This other saw is a Stihl MS391. I was blessed this Christmas by my employer, who is just beyond generous with this as a Christmas bonus / Christmas present, and what a blessing. And I want to get it out, get it started for the first time today, and let's do some cutting. So here we go. I'm going to get some fuel and some oil in it. We'll get moving. Alright, just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and fire up the old saw, show you how quick this one fires up, and depends on this new saw how this goes. We might have to cue some music. Like I said, you can always rely on this saw. Hopefully, this new one doesn't take long to get going. Oh, looks like she's going to fire right up. Alright, might as well do some actual work instead of sitting here playing. Alright, so most of this is going to be made for fence posts around here on the farm. Some of this skinny stuff though, I'm going to go ahead and flip up the firewood. Burning this in a whole lot right now, but we'll be able to keep this going at it. Make sure it works. Cut a couple more up, but please subscribe, and thanks for watching.